Hello, this is Dylan Kirby. Suit number C15523157, and I decided to do a movie rating website for my assignment in software engineering tree. Basically, the user can, if they're logged in, they can, or if they make an account, they can search for a movie, they can add a movie to a watch list, and once they've added a movie to their list, they can rate the movie, they can view their watch list, and they can also rate from there. However, they can only rate a movie until they've added it to as a film they've watched. However, if they search for a movie, which they can also do if they're not logged in, however, they cannot add a movie to their watch list until they are. They can also edit info about the movie, and if they view their watch list, they can delete any movie they've seen from there, or they can sort it by genre or ratings. For my class diagram, I have a start UI, which is the UI the user sees before they log in. Basically, they can search a film, they can log in, or they can make an account. If they log in, they must enter a username, password, which will be checked from the database. If it is a valid username and password, they will be taken to the main UI. If not, they will be taken back to the login screen. Same with register. They have to enter in their first name, last name, and email, which will be stored in the database, and then they'll be taken to the main UI where they can do more stuff. The main UI basically will let them view their list or search a movie. If they search a movie, they will be taken to the films, the page of the film, which will contain information about the film's name, director, runtime, genre, and their rating if they've already rated it. The controller class will handle the functionality, such as actually rating the movie or adding a film to the database or searching the movie, whereas the main UI will handles the UI functionality. So on the film page, you can edit the film, like edit information about the film, such as its name and so on and so forth, or you can add a new film to the database if you want. And if you're logged in, you can rate the movie or you can add the film to your watch list. And if you add the film to your watch list, you can go back to the main UI, and then you can view your watch list, and from there you can also rate a movie. If you didn't rate the movie from the film page, you can rate the movie from your watch list, or you can also delete a film from your watch list. The watch list contains information about the film's rating and also the film name. And the DAO is a class that interacts with the database for storing user information or film information. And onto my sequence diagrams, I did one for login, which when a user visits the site, they can choose to log in, and if they log in, a verify will be sent to the DOA data to check to see if the username and password is in the database. If it is, they will be brought back and then sent to the main UI. If not, they will be sent back to the login menu. For my next one, I did a sequence diagram for rate movie. If they are a logged in user and they visit the site, they will be taken to the main UI, and from there they can search a movie. The controller will handle the function, and they will bring you to the films page. You must add the film to your watch list as a film you've watched before you can rate the movie, and after you do that, you can rate the movie. You'll be taken back to the main UI, and from there you can view the list and see all your rated movies. And for my last sequence diagram, I did one for register, which is fairly simple. You just visit the site. If you're not logged in, you can choose register as an option. You will fill in details about your username, your password, your first name, and your email. Then that will be sent to the database, and after you're registered, you'll be taken back to the main UI. That is all, I think. Thanks for listening, and